Okay, now see I am giving some homework problems. Find the number of products including stereomers on monochlorination. That is 15. See, this is N-pentane. 1, 2, N-hexane you will take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Monochlorination. You have to find. Then 16. Take N-hexane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same. Then isohexane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 18. See here. Bring this one. Then 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the isomers of alkene. Now 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will add this one CH2. Again same monochlorination. 21. Take this one. Number of products Cl. See, I will explain this one little bit. Hello. So I will explain little bit this one. See, if we do the monochlorination of this one, you will get like first here, then C, second you will get here, third you will get here, then C, here over, then one this time. Now you have to see the stereomers. It is not, this is chiral center, but this is what? Is it symmetric? Yes, symmetric. Plane of symmetry is there, C, plane of symmetry. So you will get one cis, one trans. But cis is optically inactive, trans is optical active. So here you will get what? Optical active also mirror image. 3 you will get. Here also see, is there mirror image? See, optically inactive, see. Mirror image, mirror image. So cis is optical inactive, trans is optical active. Optical active as a mirror image. 3 you will get. See here, this is what? Plane of symmetry. Both cis and trans both are optically inactive. Only 2 you will get. So 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. So your answer is what? 9 you will get. So in this case they will ask enantiomeric pair and fractions. All of these questions you have to solve. Okay? That's okay. Write down these questions. Last, that is 22 question. That is 2018 JEE Advanced question. I will explain after this one. Then I will stop the lecture. Okay? Write down. Okay, now see, this is the last question of this video, 22 question. For the given compound X, the total number of optically active, they are asking only optically active stereomers is. And what is the note here? See, this is above the plane. This type of bond indicates that the configuration at the specific carbon atom and the geometry of the double bond is fixed, does not change. And this is what this arrow is indicate the configuration of the carbon atom and the geometry of the double bond is not fixed. And you can see this question in the screen. See here. Okay. So it means this configuration of carbon atom and this geometry of double bond does not change. But this double bond, geometry of double bond and this configuration will be changed. Now see, you will write the question. So you will solve this question how? Total number of isomers, optically active isomers. So how do you solve? First you can change this one. So I will put this arrow in above the plane first. Both are in above the plane. Okay. See, this geometry of this pi bond is now it is a trans. See, opposite direction, higher priority. Now I am taking first in the first case 1. Case 1, I am putting the geometry of this pi bond is trans. See here. Now this group, see 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Now this group I am considering R, and this group I am considering R, both are same. Okay, now here this is above the plane and this is pi bond, and see I am considering R and this is above the plane, does not change, this is a fixed. Okay, and here also some groups are there in the your reaction. Suppose see here also some groups is there, like, okay. Now see here OH, now OH, okay. See this bond if I put in the above the plane, and this geometry is trans, like see trans. Now this is R. When I put this OH group is above the plane, see all are same. Are you getting my point? Actually this OH is, I am thinking like here. Okay, so you can see in the screen. Okay, this is OH. Now when this bond is above the plane and the double bond is a trans, all are same. See, you can cut this molecule like mirror image, see, mirror image. So this is optically inactive, but they are asking only optically active, because these bonds are also same trans configuration. This is a 1 you are getting. Second possibility, see here. Now this is above the plane. Yes, this is does not change. Okay, now it can change here. See, this is above the plane, bond is a trans. Now it is below the plane. Second, there is no mirror image, optically active. Now third, in all compound the configuration of geometry is trans. In the third case, see here. Third case, here this is above the plane, now this is below the plane, and here OH is there, and see here also OH is there. In the third case, this is above the plane, does not change here. This is above the plane, does not change. Now I am changing the position here. Now you can put this is below the plane, and the double bond geometry is a trans only. Are you getting my point? See here. This is above the plane. Now trans only. So here this is above the plane. Okay. I changed only this one, but this is the same. So there is no mirror image. So this is also optically active. Now fourth case. In the fourth case, see here. Above the plane OH, and this is R. Above the plane. Now here this is above the plane. Now this is below the plane, because this compound does not have the mirror image, optically inactive. Are you getting my point? See here, this is what? This is above the plane, below the plane, and this is above the plane. This is below the plane, above the plane. Total, this is also optically active. Total we are getting how many here? 4 you are getting. But when this we are getting 4, and in the all case the geometry of the pi bond is a trans, and trans. So totally we are getting 4. Out of this 4, 1 is optically inactive and the 3 are optically active. See, same you can write. How do you write? Same, write the 4 structures again. And in that 4 structure, the geometry of this double bond is cis. I wrote only trans. And you can write all four same structure, but here the geometry of this pi bond is cis. Again you will get the 4. That 4, all 4 are optically active. Why? There is no plane of symmetry, because this is trans pi bond. This is a fixed. When it is a cis, there is no mirror plane of symmetry and mirror image. It means in the cis case, all 4 are optically active. In the trans, only 3 are optically active. Total optical isomers 4 plus 3, 7. The right answer, optically active compound, is 7. Okay. So this is the counting of stereomers based on chiral center and based on the monochlorination part. Okay. Hope so you understood the mechanism of chlorination and their stereochemistry and how to calculate the major product, that is the selectivity versus reactivity. Okay. So if you like my videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel, the SK Chemistry Academy on YouTube. Please like my videos and share to your friends. Okay. Thank you.